Have you ever wondered, why do our eyes close automatically when we sneeze? The secret isn't in the eyes, but in the nerves. When you sneeze, your body creates a strong reflex to push air out of your nose quickly. This activates the nerves in your face and brain together. The brain then sends a signal to your eye muscles to shut instantly. Why? To protect them from germs and the high pressure released with the sneeze. So, sneezing isn't just a strong breath, it's actually a full defense mechanism. Don't forget to follow for more strange facts you've never heard before.